There's a hole sweat, buddy.
But it would definitely feel when I sweat down.
So we're at the gig. It's gig day. We're here with Naomi, who's right here, and obviously, guys, where are you? Right here. Lumia hasn't shown up yet, but we're just setting up for the gig. We're sound checking last. Is that right?
Yeah.
Because we're on first. Okay, so we're on first this time. We're not headlining, but that's cool. Also, I couldn't get my hair to slick back right today, so I kind of look like I look like Zoolander.
Priorities on gig day.
I look like Zoolander, you know, like
Blue Steel it, motherfucker.
Actually, it's La Tigre. Morning. Yeah.
Tuned the shit out of it last night. Sounds ish okay. But anyway, Jake's going to go in around it now and show you the setup. The cymbals on at the minute are from Cursed Sun, so's the snare and the pedals, so my stuff's slightly different, but pretty close.
Okay, so interview 1 of 2 today. Where are you set up?
What's up?
Where are you set up?
Next room.
Next room, okay. Is it me and you, dude?
Yeah.
Okay, Munro, for people unfamiliar with the bands.
Sound check. I think we're just getting the bass done right now. How's it going, guys?
Pretty good, man. Yeah, it's fucking warm today.
It is so warm. I'm sweating like crazy.
You need to speak on 2 right? Yeah, let's just...
And that is sound check done. Took a while, but we got there in the end. Thank you for the patience, everybody. So Gaz has to run, but me and Lumia are going to stick behind because we have an interview to do with Naomi, who flew out to come see us today, so that's super cool. And then I'm going to go get some food, maybe some coffee. I don't know. Okay, time for interview 2 of 2. I've been wanting to write something new for a while, and I feel as though the first album was like... Okay, that is the interview done. How do you think it went?
I think it went good.
Suspicious looking guy from the YMCA video.
We've made a good impression, hopefully.
And how do you think the interview went?
I think it went really well, yeah.
Cool.
Should be up either tomorrow, which will be Sunday 16th, or Monday, which will be 17th.
Check it out. Right, so we're gonna go get some food, and then we're playing in like an hour, I think. So let's go see who's in there already. And also to see if my stuff has been stolen yet. Do we know where we're going?
Huh?
Do we know where we're going for food?
I haven't a clue. You have like things to stick to, so
I wanna go to Freshie.
I wonder if it was easy.
We came to Burger King. It's sort of the faster option. I'm just gonna get a wrap or something.
It's because we wanted something healthy.
Yeah, we wanted something healthy, so we came to Burger King. And back to the show. We're on in 15 minutes. We need to get cash out.
Well, we managed to be late twice for the same gig.
I know.
Yeah. Warm up, motherfucker.
Showtime. Hey everybody, welcome. How's it going? I said, how's it going? So this first song is called From Where I'm Standing, and it's really hard to play. So go! post-show, and it was super fun. Gaz admits that he fucked up a bit, but I think vocally, guitar-wise, pretty good. This is only our second ever show, so anyway, on with the rest of the night. So the show is over. Packing up the stage now. Every single band was incredible. And people, no one said we were bad, so that's pretty good. What did you think? So it's time to go home. I'm kind of hungry, so I'm gonna get some food. And then I might do like a sit-down video. Do you know what? I have fan mail that I haven't opened yet, so I'll do that.
Finally!
Yes!
You've been annoying me.
Kaya has wanted me to open it for ages. So I'm gonna go open that and then rest my voice, and then tomorrow is a very important vlog. You are not gonna want to miss it.
Oh, yes. Here we are. There you are.
What a show. And those other bands that closed the entire evening were incredible, and it was amazing to speak to the lead vocalist as well, because they were just so chill. Anyway, before I end the vlog, I need to go through this fan mail because I haven't had the chance to go through it yet. So I have 2 handwritten letters. And thanks for the other letter, Jamie. It's cool, don't worry. You're not spamming me. Time to open the box. No! It's a giant Halo of the Sun stick. I think that's a sticker. I think that's a sticker. Oh my god! Oh my god! This is so cool! There's more stickers. And these ones are for Kaya. Oh, I think this is the letter. Hey Jake, I hope you have a wonderful birthday and okay, so I got this a while ago. And I hope you enjoy the wall decor and stickers. I actually have a bunch more stuff to send you and Kaya, but I couldn't find a big enough box, so I'm sending multiple small boxes. Sorry about that, Caitlin. Thank you so much, Caitlin. It means so much to me. Like, this, you know me too well. This stuff is awesome. Thank you so much. I absolutely love this. Remember, if you guys want to actually send me stuff, anything at all, there is a mailing address in the description of this video. And for this stuff stuck to me. Feel free to send me letters or like cool little things that you have, or just anything really. Okay, so I'm gonna end this vlog. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Like I said, tomorrow is gonna be a special vlog, and it has something to do with Twitch and raising money on Twitch, which was super cool. By the way, if you don't follow us on Twitch, go follow us on Twitch. So I had a great day today because I made it a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Goodbye, everyone. Did you see what someone got me?
I did some poos, I did some poos, I did
Wow.
Enjoy your
They got you stickers too.
Oh. Look at the stickers, a witch.
Thanks so much. That's really awesome of you. We love them. Do we love them?
I love them.
We love them.